Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes stores. Try again using another payment method. If you are using any iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device and you are having the issue that this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to double check your network connection because sometimes these type issues happen with weak network connection, and after that you have to simply go back, open your settings and go for general, and you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that all, you just have to go back and tap on your App Store. Then tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner. Select your account from here. And now you just have to select the option of Manage Payment. And here you will find your payment method. First, you have to delete your payment method from here. If you have added, you have to try to delete your payment method. And once you have deleted, you have to change your country or region. So open country or region option. And here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So you have to make sure that you have selected your own country and region. And then select that and tap on continue option here. And then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. So you can add a new payment method if you have, or if you don't have, you can re-add your same payment method, but after deleting that it will update all the informations about your payment method from here. So you have to enter all the informations, and after that tap on this done option and your payment method will be updated in your Apple ID. So once you have updated the payment method, you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to open your Apple Sport app, or you can use Apple Sport Web. So after that, select your iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases, then select any option from here related to your issue. So you can select anything from here. I'm going to select the unable to purchase option, or you can select help with iCloud. And here you just have to select get more help, then select call us, and now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get more help or official help from there. So it will fix your issues. In this way, the issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.